y'all, welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you are having a wonderful day. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and I do all kinds of fun unboxings, and if you enjoy subscription box unboxings, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We do a little bit of everything here, so I definitely can assure you we're bound to have something that you'll like. You're here anyway, so just go ahead and hit it. And please do give the video a thumbs up and make sure you turn on your notification bell so you know when I upload. But as you can see, today we are going to be opening the April-May brown paper packages. This is a bi-monthly lifestyle subscription. This does come from Canada. It ships to the US and Canada, and it is $59.99 Canadian and about $45 for US. And it is going to be packed with beauty, fashion, health, lifestyle. It is just curated in an amazing way. Every box is always so fun to open, so I can't wait to see what is in here. So let's go ahead. I will put a link down below, so if you want to check them out, you can, and go ahead and subscribe. So let's get my little box cutter and get this bad boy open and see what we got. Now, this is one thing about this subscription, you guys. It is always so adorably packed. And we got like a tulip, a yellow tulip. Tulips are one of my favorite flowers. We do have a little brochure here that will go over the different items in the box and tell us pricing. There's even a cute little butterfly sticker. Oh, sometimes I don't even want to like undo the box because it is just so cute. So let's get this off here. Oh my gosh. The colors and everything scream spring. This is, oh my gosh, okay. This is amazing. I'm already like so excited. All right, so let's start. This is just so cute. Okay, we'll start with this. We'll open it and see what this is. Oh, okay. So they actually have a sister company, Stray Cat Cosmetics, and it looks like we got a couple of items. It looks like we got a blush right here. And let's see, it's in the shade Petal. That is really pretty. There's not so much glare. That is really, really pretty. Oh, that actually, it looks like it's a cream blush. And then we have a lipstick in the shade Blossom. So you can see the packaging. Oh, that is such a pretty spring color. Oh my gosh. I am seriously like loving this. All right, let's see. Stray Cat Cosmetics Lighten Up Duo. It's time to lighten up your makeup routine and let your beautiful skin shine through. This creamy lipstick and blush in a soft neutral palette will keep you fresh-faced all day. Canadian made and cruelty-free, Stray Cat donates to animal charities. So the lipstick, it says ultra soft lipstick formulated with shea butter, vitamin E, and avocado oil, leaves lips moisturized, comfortable, and kissably soft, paraben-free formula, and that is $10. And this is a cream blush in Petal. The flowers will be jealous of the rosy glow this blush brings to your skin. Ultra lightweight formula imparts a dewy sheen. Apply with fingertips after moisturizer or foundation. Oilier skins can set with powder, and this is $12. Oh my gosh, that is so, the packaging got me, it gets me every time. All right, so we have something here. This is a nice little bag. Oh, I see Artisan Baths Pear and Lily's hand and body lotion. And then, oh, do we have a handmade soap? handmade and vegan. Oh, so we have a handmade soap in the same scent. Let's see. Be as fresh as the spring air with this delicious lily and pear scented soap and body lotion. Canadian made, cruelty free, and vegan. $16. I want to smell it. Put some on my hands. Let's see what it feels like. Feels nice. It smells so good. Oh my gosh. That smells like really, really good. All right. Then we have Incognito. This is an umbrella. This is so cute. So it has the cover. Obviously not gonna open it, we're inside. What's an April showers box without an umbrella? Fulton umbrellas hold a royal warrant to Her Majesty the Queen and are regularly used by the British royal family. This umbrella is extremely compact and lightweight with a wind-resistant frame. Cute pastel heart design will have you singing in the rain when skies get gray. Locally owned Canadian distributor, and this is $18. This is adorable. This is just, I'm telling you guys, this is like just the cutest box. And then what do we have here? This is so cute. Our gift to you, Kristen June scrunchies are handmade in Toronto, Canada using recycled fabrics that would otherwise go into landfills. You can find them on Etsy and Instagram at Kristen June, and it's KRISTENJUNNE. It's got like a cactus print and a little birdie. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. That is just adorable. And then we have, what is this? What is this? Oh my goodness. This is so, oh my gosh. Spring cover. You guys, can you see this? This is like just gorgeous. And it is so like soft and just, oh my gosh. Throw this ultra lightweight cover up on top of any outfit to add a dash of pastel color. Can be used as a beach cover up in the summer months. Locally owned Canadian distributor, $22. Oh my gosh, this is like, screams spring. Like, that is just gorgeous, and it's so soft. Oh, okay. Then we have, they always include, this is one of my favorite parts of this box, they always include a drink mix. We got mojito drink mix. Put a spring in your step with this month's cocktail. Add mojito mix to white rum and crushed ice. Top with club soda and a sprig of fresh mint. This is locally owned, $6. Oh, a mojito sounds so nice right now. Like cucumber mojito, like super fresh. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love this. I found some really, really yummy drinks through this box with these little mixes they always include. It's awesome. All right, and then, let me see. So we got that, Yep. So we have one final item, but before I get to that, I want to read the theme. So April/May 2020, April showers bring May flowers. The days are getting longer and the temperature is rising. This brown paper package includes items sourced by the Hutch sisters that are inspired by spring freshness and pastel colors. Our next theme is Here Comes the Sun, ships June 1st. Ooh, here comes the sun. All right, so this next item, I'm gonna read it to you first before I pull it out because it's big. It is a mint daiquiri bag. Add a hint of the season's hottest color to your whites, creams, or any neutrals you choose. This faux leather handbag goes from day to even. Canadian owned distributor, and it's $40. So let's pull this out. So this is what I was saying, it's actually a really good sized bag. So there is that. I do not have anything this color. I think this is really fun. Normally I wouldn't do like studded, but I think it actually it makes it really fun, and this color is just beautiful, like and so spring. So we have the purse, we have the scrunchie, the mojito mix, which I'm very excited about, the umbrella, the beautiful little cover up, the lotion and the soap, the blush and the lipstick. Guys, this box is fantastic. Like I said, I will put a link down below. Definitely head over and check out Brown Paper Packages. It's just absolutely amazing, and it always puts a smile on my face when I open it because the presentation alone is phenomenal. There's always a drink mix. And just a wonderful array of products. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day. Bye.